Incense Aroma for wellness, lifestyle and relaxation.
Let's relax then.
Let's relax. Let's unbox.
Let's open the box to see what we have to do to make our life more relaxed.
So, we've got a little box here. And this is the main product. It's well tight in the box, so okay, this is quite a hard unboxing. There it is. Let's start with the main part. Isn't that beautiful?
And make it more pretty. That's very nice. And we have another box inside the box.
Yeah, another box in the box that just has a cable for the power and the pump. Let's get there. You have to be careful with that ball because it's quite easy to break.
So this is a pipe, I think.
Yes, this is a pipe.
And you install.
It's very easy to install, I think.
We will see how easy it is.
No? Okay.
It has to be like that.
It has to be like that. I'm just on the wrong angle. Yeah, there it is. We need it in there.
You connect your pump.
And you just connect your pump. Or you try. Oh. Okay, first time goes in is not maybe the easiest. That's lovely, nice and tight in there.
Yeah, and we're gonna show another product we haven't reviewed yet. Because we didn't thought that it was meant to be reviewed. We have a 10,000 amp power bank to power our device. This is a USB device. Are you gonna put water on it?
Yes, I am. I'm just trying not to knock everything. It's safe, I think, like that.
Alright, so you
Let's
put water.
Put some water. Yeah, 2/3 of water in there. Don't overfill it. You don't need to overfill it.
Hopefully the pump is gonna work.
It will.
We have some.
We have some little bits that are not supposed to be in there.
It doesn't matter. Those pumps, they usually use them for aquariums.
Yeah, they do, but there's no reason of blocking it straight away, is there?
No. So
Just get that right in there.
let's put the engineer do his job, right?
The engineer, yeah.
Okay. Do we have a small seam for the wire to come out?
Yes, we do. Just, I think that has to stay in there.
All right.
I will show you in a minute. That just goes back in there. Your little wire comes out this side.
All right.
Easy. You're beautiful.
We have the ball,
Ball of that.
and then you have your wire.
That is quite long. Surprisingly long for the product,
And let's hear the sound of it, because I'm not sure how it's gonna sound.
It's supposed to be relaxing, so...
We will see how strong is the pump.
Yeah, it might take a few seconds for it to actually... This is normal because it's the first time it's actually working. And you can actually adjust the pump to high and low.
So as you see, the ball changes colors.
Yes, it does.
And I think so you might need to add a little more water.
Possibly, yes. Yeah. Let's disconnect it just in case I have any accidents. I think we will need, let's see what's going on in here.
I think it needs more water.
Yeah, I think so too. And should we turn the pump in?
Do you want to put...
Oh my god.
Do you want to put some more water, please?
This is Zoe, yeah.
Let's enjoy how it looks now.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
okay. Hello. Oh yeah, I didn't turn on. Sounds about right.
So it has to prime itself.
Yes, it has to.
And as you see, it's creating a waterfall.
Yes. I do believe that's a low. Yeah, it's on the low. There it
Let's
is.
see. It's
Yes.
supposed to turn. Yeah, it primed itself.
There it is. Now it's working properly. Now it's ready for you to relax. Is it not pretty?
So there you have it. This is a device that makes you relax with a color. You can put some essential oils
Yeah, you could, yeah.
to make it make nice smell to your house.
Mhm.
And this is a beautiful waterfall, some Christmas shopping.
Yeah, we went for Christmas shopping and accidentally this, don't know how it just jumped in the trolley by itself. Don't know how.
So this is a surprise video. Thank you very much everyone for watching, and enjoy your day today, and see you on the next one.
See you on the next one.